Formstack Sign is an electronic signature software used by over 10,000 businesses. But is it the right e-signature software tool for you? We seek to answer that question as we cover the most important things you should consider before purchasing an e-signature tool, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a Formstack Sign customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. Software Pundit gave Formstack Sign an analyst rating of 82 out of 100 and is currently ranked 9th in our e-signature software category. Formstack Sign packages all of the must-have features into an easy-to-use application. It works well on mobile devices and includes the ability to send documents via SMS. Finally, you can send unlimited documents for only $20 per month. Formstack Sign has a few cons. For starters, Formstack Sign does not include any features built specifically for proposal or sales processes. It was originally built for the insurance industry and as a result, only integrates with software systems used by insurers. Also, Formstack Sign does not have a feature to automate version control. Formstack Sign's pricing ranges from $20 to $32 per month for non-enterprise users. More expensive plans include advanced features not found in cheaper plans. Formstack Sign comes with a variety of e-signature software features. Once you upload your document, you can use the software to add several fields, such as signatures, initials, dates, text, checkboxes, radios, and full names. You can add each field by selecting it from the corresponding signer's drop-down menu. In Formstack, you cannot edit documents or templates other than adding fields to them. Therefore, if you want to make changes to a document, you would have to do that in another system and then re-upload it to Formstack. Not having a fully functional editor is especially inefficient when only minor changes to a document are needed. After you've created your documents, you'll need to manage your document workflow to send, sign, and store your documents. When you are ready to send a completed document, Formstack Sign allows you to name the document, edit a personalized message to the recipient, set up password-protected signing, and set automated reminders. Formstack Sign allows you to send your documents to an unlimited number of participants. However, Formstack Sign does not include a feature to add multiple participants at once. Adding each participant manually is time-consuming and inefficient if you need to send a document to a large number of people. When a participant opens the document, they have two options to navigate through and complete the document. They can click on Formstack's Next button to navigate through fields, or click on the links that Formstack has embedded into the document that indicate the actions needed. Formstack Sign allows you to organize your documents by date, status, and the document creator. However, one material limitation is that it does not allow you to organize your documents manually into specific folders or groups. Electronic signature solutions develop integrations and APIs to help customers further customize their document workflows. These allow you to integrate Formstack's functionality with your existing software applications. Formstack Sign was originally built for the insurance industry. As a result, it only integrates with key softwares for insurance companies, such as these. Formstack does offer an API with its enterprise plan. Larger companies with their own software developers can use the API to create custom workflow that integrates with your existing systems. Formstack Sign is a basic electronic signature tool that works best for individuals and smaller businesses who need to obtain e-signatures. Formstack Sign does offer features like unlimited signatures, documents, and templates at a lower price point than market leaders like DocuSign. However, Formstack Sign can make your document signing process more time-consuming because it lacks many of the advanced features found in these alternatives. If you're an individual or business looking for a basic but effective e-signature software tool, then we recommend Formstack Sign. If your business requires advanced features like document editing, a content library, and proposal creation, then we recommend checking out Formstack Sign's more advanced alternatives like DocuSign and PandaDoc. If you're interested, you can try Formstack Sign today by clicking the link in the description box. Do you agree with our recommendation for Formstack Sign? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.